Siyanibingelela bazane egameni lika Jesu Kristu ayibongwe. This is Pastor Wise Khumalo webandla la Mashu C, ibandla lezenzo Apostolic Faith Mission. Happy New Year to everyone. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu sigcinele kwaze kwafika lesi sikhathi. Namhlanje ngifisa encourage unyaka usaqala ngokuthi uNkulunkulu unawe, uNkulunkulu ukuthembile kulonyaka, uNkulunkulu uzothembeka nasempilweni yakho. And more especially, I want to give you our theme for 2025. We are trusting God for great things, for growth in our local church, and also the province yonke. We are trusting God for planting more churches. For example, here in Wamashu, we are trusting God ngama home sales out 10 more than kulawes now, but 10 more home sales. And also we are trusting God ngama couples out 15 new 15 couples. Ama families awu 15 lawo esobe siwawina hayi abazobe beshada but esobe siwawina coming to join our church. And lastly, we are trusting God ngama teenager awu 100 for 2025, and we have a strategy esikhola ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzosisiza ukuthi sikwazi ukuwina those 100 teenagers kwi pink area. Therefore, our theme for 2025, it says restoring relationships and mentorship. This is the time la khona ibandla fanele kuhlangane abadala nabasha. Kunento ekufanele isithole from abadala bethu, kunento ekufanele yenziwe abasha. I feel like in 2025 God is going to restore this relationship. La khona kuzobe kukhona a mentorship environment ezobe ikhona ebandleni. Kukhona abantu abakhuliswayo abangena ebandleni, kukhona abantu who are aligned towards their ministries, aligned towards their careers, aligned towards their destinies. So I want you to open your heart kulo nyaka 2025 ngoba uNkulunkulu will use someone to help you reach your destiny. Kulo nyaka lo unyaka uthi udlulele kwelinye izinga. Last year we said siyibandla lezenzo. This year we are saying we are restoring relationships and mentorship. Angabi khona umuntu ozohamba engekho mentored, because there is growth that is coming. So for you to reach that level, you need someone who can be Elisha in your life. You need someone who can be Ananias in your life, like Paul and Ananias. You need someone ozokusiza uthi amehlo akhe asevulile kodwa akaboni kahle, akubambe ngesandla up until amehlo akhe azavuleke njengoJesu nempumputha ayivula amehlo. So I want you to open your heart, get ready. uNkulunkulu akubusise. Siyanibingelela bazane egameni